A day in the life of a copper where they serve our father's land in National Assembly. Hello family members, welcome back to my vlog. So today we are going to work. As usual, let me take you behind the scenes. So this is how I got ready to work. At first, you guys know that I'll have to select the outfit I am wearing. So just watch this video without the audio, and then you will see me in between the video. This is how it looks. So let me use the black scarf that I plan to use. So this was his looking. After selecting my outfit, then I made a video call with my sister so she can approve my outfit. You guys know we have to dress modest here, and then we started our journey. One thing you should know about the National Assembly is the security is very tight. So if you don't have any business there, please don't go there. If not, you'll be embarrassed. And if you don't have a valid reason why you are there, so please, even if you don't have a business there, please don't even near there. Just stay in your house. In my case, I'm a serving Corp member, so I have my NYC ID card, so I use as my entry. Remember, I told you guys the security is tight off, so don't go and disgrace yourself there. So I will just leave you guys with the audio of this video. Let me know what you think about this video. It is very short and it is just direct to the point. National Assembly is a fine place, a very, very fine place. And you meet with politicians and you have the opportunity to meet with reputable people in the society. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm grateful. God bless you, sir. You guys, it's about to rain, you know, but this is how it's looking like. So we're heading to this thing.
Not at all. I know you're interested to know my name. Second floor, goodbye for now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for thanking.
Have a great day.
Good morning, how are we? Leader, lead us where? Third floor, goodbye for now. Third,
I just somebody say I give your boy this one.
which of the boy? Name me, man.
I've started it. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. I'm so grateful. So that is the end of today's video, family members. Please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you in my next video, inshallah. You guys, I am leaving. It's about to rain. Please do not forget to like, leave a comment, share this video, and let me know what you think about this video. I will see you in my next video, inshallah. Bye guys.
I'm a short girl. I used to think I'm tall. I don't know, so I'm short. Until I find out. You know.